At Lighthouse Technologies, we bring to life all the spaces in your home, both inside and out. At this home in Woodland Forest, we're showcasing an in-ground speaker system made by Origin Acoustics. It has 8 satellite speakers and 2 subwoofers. You may not be able to hear the full sound quality through the video here, but it's complete surround sound in this beautiful outdoor environment. Whether you're looking for outdoor speakers, underwater speakers, a home audio system, or some other home automation technology, we are here to help. Give us a call or visit us online at www.onelighthouse.com.